Tips for growing great leaders, having a safe environment. Matt, what are we meaning by that?
Well, one of the key pieces to having a safe space, a safe environment for people to be able to grow and actually have that ability to make mistakes is to have a system, a process that catches those mistakes, that keeps the rest of the team, the person, safe from feeling the full brunt of whatever mistake they've
Right.
made, whether that
Yeah.
be disaster recovery.
If it's catastrophic, you can't recover from it. You can't have those kind of mistakes happen. It can't be this catastrophic, horrible mistake. So make the environment safe enough to where you can make a mistake and there's some practiced recovery way of coming back from it, right? I mean, 10 minutes, you restore some backups and you're back in action. Or you have a way of visiting with a leader, with one of your leader mentors every couple days, and they can help steer you back on track, right? Or something like that.
Yeah, in our world of software development, we can directly apply that to our disaster recovery processes. Having them first and foremost, but also practicing them, making sure that they work. These kinds of things allow for us to have a lot more freedom and flexibility in what we do every day.
Right.